I know I uploaded yesterday's video today, but I fell asleep. It's not my fault we were doing cleaning because the inspection is actually today. I'm still not done cleaning, but it's just my room that's left. Yesterday I scrubbed the toilet. Like I really cleaned the toilet, the bathroom, just the bathroom and the kitchen. And now I'm just left with my room. And my clothes are folded and everything. I was just doing my Secret Santa. I'm so excited for Secret Santa at work. Ooh. I was just wrapping my Secret Santa. And I'm actually going to get my lashes done today. I'm so shy. Girl, I'm so nervous. Like, what if the glue gets in my eyes? I've never yo. Like, you guys have seen me trying to do those strip lashes, but like actual individual lashes. That's crazy. And I'm getting them done today. Prepare to be sick of me and blinking every second of the day. I'll be like, so guys.
Sleep, shout and raise your hand. Get out the way. Don't get stuck in I'll be so secure.
I'm about to do my edges. I think I actually like a bun, so I'm just gonna tie my hair up like properly, but in a bun, you know. Oh, that's too tight. I don't know if this bun is giving. I feel like I just need to finish off my ends and then it will be giving if I finish off my ends. Okay, you know what? It's fine. I'll just... Oh. Here is the outfit of the day. I'm wearing these sneakers and okay, I'm on my way to do my lashes or whatever. It's actually so cold and windy, like puffer weather equivalent, but it's summer. All the Bridgerton books, bro. I actually wish I had money. I'm going to AA to book for my learners so I can write my learners tomorrow. Okay, I forgot my passport at home, so I couldn't book for my learner's license, but I can go tomorrow morning and submit everything and sit the test tomorrow morning, so it's okay. Which means I need to go home and study properly. I just got home. Hold on. What are we saying? What are you saying? I think I like them. Yeah. They're not too loud, but you can't even tell that they're actually like lashes. Wait. Like, can you guys see them? Like, they're not dramatic like all the other lashes that I've seen. They're like, okay. You know? And I know it sounds like I'm trying to convince myself, but I believe what I'm saying. I asked the lady to film and she was like, nah. So excuse me. I think next time I'm gonna go for like the level. Okay, there was classic, there was all the other lists. All the other options. So I'm gonna go to an option higher than this one. Does that make sense? Like, I want them to be more fuller. It's like you can actually see that I have lashes on me. Did you get that? Sure. Then I went to the warehouse and I also went to Farmers. I got the body oil that I said I needed to get. I got the hair gel, finally. And then I got this blasting freeze hairspray. I don't know if this is the correct one that people use on their wigs, because I always see them using a yellow got2b spray. I don't know, I just bought it. And I needed hand lotion, so I just got this. It's hand lotion and a room spray. Oh, cute. And I just got lip gloss. Oh, this is the clear one, but they didn't have it. I guess the girls love the clear one, but at least it's not the lip plumping one, because every time I see this pink one it always says lip plumping and my lips are already big. I don't need the plumping, you know what I mean? And then I went to the, oh, I think I already said that, but I'll just say it again. I went to the AA licensing place and I forgot my passport, so I'll go there tomorrow morning before work. Wait, let me actually check what time they open at the AA place. Oh, okay. So they open at 8:30 in the morning. I can go there at like 9, write my test, finish by 9:30, and then come back home. Or even go at 8:30, finish by 9, and then go to the gym for that hour, because I start work at 10:30. So guys, I'm so nervous. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. I'm gonna continue doing the quizzes. I'm gonna read through the book again. I'm going to push. Like, guys, by the end of tomorrow I'm gonna be a learner's licensed girly, period. I'm so serious. I want to try this. I want to see if it'll actually make my lips pink. Oh, okay, they clear. It's okay. Okay, I don't know. But yo, tomorrow I'm gonna be a licensed girly. But damn, the $96 out of my wallet, out of my bag. 96. Let's convert to South African rents. It's like, okay. Wait, NZD to ZAR. I'm just doing it on my iPad in case you're wondering. NZD to ZAR, 96.10, 1,112 rands. That's crazy. For just your learner's license. When did life get so expensive? Y'all, let me cry. I'm joking. I was literally about to leave the house and go to the gym. Guess what? My AirPods battery is on 0%. Nice. I'm back home and I'm not doing anything else for the rest of the evening. I'm just gonna pack my Secret Santa present like properly, and that's it. So I don't even feel the need to continue this vlog because I'm not gonna be doing anything besides cooking. You guys have already seen me cooking, and I don't even know what I'm making tonight. Lamb stew and rice, probably. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy.